In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to view your call history here on your iPhone device. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel, I help you fixing tech-related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks and tutorials. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, checking your call log history here on your iPhone is very simple. The very first step in here is to ensure that a few settings are turned on in order for you to be able to view the history here call logs, which are right here at the right once you open up the phone app in here. Now, the very first step is to hop into settings, tap here on your iCloud account, and next up you want to simply tap on iCloud and tap here on see all apps which are actually being synced with your iCloud account. So you want to ensure by scrolling down that the phone and FaceTime or simply phone app is toggled on. If it's not, you'll have to turn it on in order to make sure that all those specific calls are actually registered and saved into your iCloud as well. Next up, you just need to close this and simply tap on the phone apps, and you'll be able to receive all calls and see all of them here saved real quick. Now, please note that in here you only have a limitation of 100 calls registry or history, right? Now, according to that, you do have a limit, and if you want to access a much longer list or much older call log history, I'm going to show you a different way where you need to hop into Safari real quick, and then you need to search for your specific carrier's portal to check the call log history. Whether you are using AT&T or Verizon or anything like that. For example, I'll be going with AT&T call log history real quick. There we go. I'm going to search for it, and it's going to show me the link of the portal from where I'm going to get the entire list of the calls I've had in the past. So I'm going to tap once in here. They actually store this data for a much longer period of time. So once you tap once on it, let me tap on continue without charges, you'll be able to see here all the details, like the steps in order for you to log in, to manage the contacts, to search and sort, or even download the logs in, for example, CSV or a PDF file format. This is something which is actually your right, so you have the right to access all this data. Simply tap in here on AT&T portal and to log in, and the next step, you just need to log in with your member ID in order to proceed to the database to access all those specific calls that you had, and you can actually double check and check whatever you want to check. This is how easy you can actually recover and also check a much longer call history on your iPhone device. Thank you so much for watching it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know in the comment section if you do have any doubt or question so we can actually discuss further and interact down below. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.